Story: The English Tree. In a quiet town, a curious boy named Aarav planted a tiny sapling in his backyard. He called it his English tree and promised to water it every day with a new English word. Each morning, he would learn a word like smile, brave, or imagine, write it on a paper leaf, and hang it on the little tree. His friends began to visit, learning and adding their own words too. Soon, the tree was full of colorful leaves fluttering with meaning. Aarav's garden became a place of joy, sharing, and growth, not just for the tree, but for every child who visited.
Vocabulary: words and meanings. Sapling, a young tree. Word, a single unit of language. Hang, to attach something from above so it can swing freely. Smile, to show happiness by curving your mouth. Brave, showing courage. Imagine, to picture something in your mind. Joy, great happiness. Sharing, giving something to others. Growth, development or increase. Meaning, the idea or message behind a word.
Like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring videos. Thanks for watching, and keep learning with Apni Extra Class.